CPE 329 final project running on the MSP 432, the Sound Changer.
Enclosure of the product has a rechargeable battery that powers the entire device, that could recharge on any USB port, a button to change the sound effects, input and output to auxiliary wires. Currently the input's connected to a computer but can also be played on anything that outputs audio, and then output goes to the speaker but can also be connected to headphones, anything that receives audio. So playing a song right now. Clean, mild distortion, regular distortion, heavy distortion, reverbing, which is like an echoing, playback, which plays it forward and then backwards, and mute. And now we'll connect to a phone, which is playing a talk show right now. And clean, mild distortion, distortion, heavy distortion,
but it's based on
reverb,
the poem you wrote.
Playback, mute.
Moving. It starts.